young women or young girls see their mums being so invested, being so, involved in money matters, it's only going to make them more capable.
Absolutely. And the unfortunate part is that financial education is not part of early years education or college education or any curriculum, right? I may become an engineer, but I'm not given financial education.
Exactly. Which is why the most number of people that we talk to are doctors and engineers, because they have no idea. They're just like, where do we start?
Correct. This is actually also the root cause of why women get left behind. For example, if it was a subject that was taught in school to both boys and girls, I think the explicit messaging would be that this is gender neutral. Everybody needs to do it. But unfortunately, we learn it when we grow up. We learn, looking at people. And
around.
If in our house we've seen only our father manage, if the implicit messaging is that boys have to do this, then as a girl, it sort of, subconsciously sets in my mind that I don't have to do this. I don't need to know this, or it's not for me to do, or it's, men do it better.
Or like my dad will do it.
Correct.
My brother will do it.
Somebody will do it. Probably it is not my cup of tea. And I think that's where the problem really begins. But really making this a household conversation. I mean, we have some amazing stories. So we do this IP called Women of Lakshmi, very inspired by Humans of Bombay. And we said we should know what is happening with women who actually start investing. There was a woman who lost her husband. She said, I was in a mess. I didn't know what to do. And this was during the COVID times. We actually on our community sort of handheld hundreds of women who either lost brother, father, husband, whoever was managing the money, particularly their partner, the spouse. And we helped them through, looking through financial documents, figuring out where the money is, where the investments are, and aligning it.
Wow.
And this one woman said that, had it not been for Lakshmi, I would not know what to do. Like, where is the money, how to come back and stand on my feet. And she says the day my daughters started going to college, they also started like a side job. And I said, every month, 20% of whatever you earn has to go into your future. And she's saying, my girls have seen me and now they do it diligently. So absolutely right the way you said. I think, learning from their parents, learning from their mothers and fathers, of course. But I think high time that today mothers become also the, the torch bearers for family finances.
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is, for us, it's a huge community flywheel where it's women, it's families, it's children. We even do sessions for children, by the way.
Oh, really?
Because we feel it's very important, what's missing, we will supplement it. And women are very keen to get their children educated financially.
That's amazing.
We have women saying, listen, my child only wants to spend because all his friends are spending money. So wants the latest shoes, wants this, and I'm not.
In today's day and age, it's become like that only.
Yeah, there's so much pressure. So we do right from the age of 6 to up till 18. We do financial literacy sessions throughout the year.
That's great to know.